In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close an invoice in Hubstaff. If you need to mark an invoice as finished and prevent further action on it, Hubstaff makes that process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can close an invoice quickly and confidently. To begin, make sure you're already logged into your Hubstaff account and that you're inside the correct organization. From there, look toward the financials area. You'll start by clicking the back arrow, labeled with the keyboard arrow left icon, on Financials. This takes you out to the broader financial navigation so you can access the invoice section more easily. Once you've done that, click on Invoices. This will open the main invoice list, where you can view all the invoices available in your Hubstaff workspace. If you manage multiple invoices regularly, this is a good place to pause for a moment and confirm that you're selecting the correct one before making any changes. Next, select the invoice you want to close. When choosing the invoice, it's a good idea to quickly verify the details on the list or on the invoice page itself, especially if you're working with several similar records. Closing an invoice is typically a final organizational step, so you want to be sure you're in the right place before moving ahead. After opening the invoice, look for the More Actions option. Click on More Actions to reveal additional controls related to that invoice. This menu usually contains management options that aren't shown directly on the main invoice screen, which is why it's the next place you'll need to go. From the More Actions menu, click Close. This is the final action that marks the invoice as closed in Hubstaff. Once selected, the invoice will no longer remain in an active state, which can help keep your records organized and make it easier to distinguish completed billing items from those that still need attention. And that's it. That's how to close an invoice in Hubstaff. The process is simple. Go back from Financials, open Invoices, choose the invoice, open More Actions, and then click Close.